Hello student, welcome to the next session of ITC and CM. We were discussing the point that is what exactly the LBC and how to create the different code words by knowing the generator matrix. So this was the generator matrix we have seen in the earlier session. This is what the matrix. This is with the identity matrix and the parity matrix combination. So that's why the order of this matrix is 4 by 7 means total 4 rows and 7 columns. So by the use of this particular matrix, if we want to calculate, let's say the first thing, all code words, second, minimum distance, third is correcting capability of the code, and then detecting capability of the code. So by following the simple way, that is, this is L comma, this is nothing but the N comma K LBC. So here the K means number of message bits. So based on the message bits, we will have the message word that is of total 16 combination means 2 raised to 4. This will give us the idea that total 16 message words are possible. So by knowing it, we prepared the table that is with message word, code word and the wet. Okay. So this is what the table which we prepared. So in the message word, since it is of 4 bits, we just named here it as a D1, D2, D3 and D4. Likewise for the code word, it is C1 to C7 and finally it is the wet. So for the very first thing, that is 4 zeros, we got the code word that is 7 zeros by using the expression which we have seen in the earlier session, that is C is equal to D into G. So by calculation also we have seen that we got it like this, 7 zeros. Similarly we considered one random case out of this total 16 possible combinations, that is 0101, where 0101 and 110, this is what the three, you can say, the parity bits or the redundant bits which we got again with the expression that is C is equal to D into G. So this is what the D right now for our case. So D into G, after performing the XOR addition, it will give us the 110. Let's have a revision how exactly this one is obtained, since it is first, second, third and fourth and fifth location bit. It means when we multiply it to the fifth column, this particular column, we are getting actually this particular bit. Let's check it how exactly this bit is obtained. I will just concentrate on the 1 into 0, so it is nothing but 0, and this one is 1 into 1, that is 1. So 0 XORed with 1, it is giving the value that is nothing but the 1. This is how we can just verify how to track out the different bits for the code word. So by the reference of the same formula, we can calculate the intermediate values which are over here. So these intermediate values one can calculate. Similarly, here the intermediate values are from 0101 till the 4 ones. So let's check the table. Already I prepared one table where you will have the track that again it is with the message word and the code word and finally it is wet. So 4 zeros till 4 ones, that is what the, you can say, the message word, and for the code word 7 zeros till the 7 ones, this is what the code word which we got. Here the weight is provided based on the number of non-zero values present in the code word. So let's look at how exactly the weight will be prepared. So for the very first thing, when none of the non-zero component is present, weight will be 0. Similarly, for the second case, when this code word is obtained with the help of the expression that is quite obvious, C is equal to D into G. So these 7 bits are generated over there. Out of these 7 bits, first 4 bits will be as it is, because if you just cross check it, you will get the same value. So this will indicate or give us the idea that this is nothing but the systematic LBC. So here in the second code word, 1 2 3, so total 3 non-zero values are provided. So that is why we have written here the weight as a 3. So like this, all these weights are provided and calculated for each and every code word, which is just shown over here. So for each code word we got these values. Now out of these code words, except 0, whatever minimum value we calculated, that is nothing but acting as a dmin. So let me just write here dmin. So what is the value of dmin for this particular table? Except 0. So here we can sense out from this particular values that other than 0, 3 is the minimum value which we got over here. So dmin for this problem statement will come as 3. It is dmin is nothing but the minimum Hamming distance, or it is also called as a minimum distance. So while calculating the correcting capability, the formula is very simple. Tc less than equal to dmin minus 1 divided by 2. So dmin is 3. So just put it. So you will get it 2 by 2, means the correcting capability of this code is 1, less than or equal to 1. Similarly, when we want to calculate, let's say the TD, it is simple one. That is nothing but dmin minus 1. So dmin is 3. So 3 minus 1. So it is giving the value as a 2. This is how we can calculate for the encoding of any particular LBC, correcting as well as the detecting capability by the reference of the table, message word, code word, and the wet, with the help of the equation, that is C is equal to D into G. Thank you everyone. Thank you very much.